We have learned that there are 7 names to all the notes, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. We can now add to that list of 7 all the notes with sharps and flats. So an A, then there can be an A sharp, B, B sharp, C, C sharp, D, D sharp, and so forth. The same with flats, A flat, G, G flat, F, F flat, and so forth. Let's go back to our piano keyboard. From the treble clef middle C, let's look at the octave above, the C on the 3rd space. There are 12 notes from the middle C to the 3rd space C. These notes make up the chromatic scale. Remember that between E and F and between B and C, there isn't a black key. Using sharps, here are all of the names of the notes of the chromatic scale. C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp, B, C. The distance between each of these notes is called a half step, or the interval of a semitone, also called a minor second. An interval is the distance between 2 musical pitches. We already know one interval, an octave, and in future lessons we will discuss many intervals. But for now, let's focus on the interval of a half step. This is a fundamental building block of all musical intervals. A chromatic scale is made up of 12 half steps. Now let's look at a chromatic scale from the 3rd space C in the treble clef, descending using flats. C, B, B flat, A flat, G, G flat, F, E flat, D, D flat, C. All half steps. Towards the end of Rimsky-Korsakov's Scheherazade in the flute part, he writes a chromatic scale, but he uses a combination of sharps, flats, and naturals to make this scale. All half steps, a chromatic scale.